Thinking about switching from Telstra to ALDI Mobile and keeping your current number? Here's what you need to know. ALDI Mobile operates on the Optus network and is a budget-friendly alternative to Telstra. First, obtain a port authorization code PAC from Telstra. You can get this through the Telstra app, website, or by calling 1-800-088-111. Once you have the PAC, it's valid for 30 days. Next, order an ALDI Mobile SIM kit online. During checkout, you'll be prompted to enter your PAC. The porting process typically takes between 2 to 24 hours, but recent improvements by the ACMA means this can be much faster in some cases. Avoid removing your Telstra SIM until the port is complete to prevent service interruptions. This is a crucial step to ensure a smooth transition. Once your number is ported, it's time to activate your ALDI Mobile SIM. Insert the ALDI Mobile SIM into your unlocked phone and ensure it supports the 700 MHz band. Then activate your SIM through the ALDI Mobile app or by texting ACTIVATE to 12345. Full service activation usually takes about 2 hours. Remember, prepaid credit or international roaming benefits do not transfer from Telstra. Also, Telstra might charge an early termination fee if you're under contract. Common pitfalls include attempting activation before the port is complete or having a phone locked to Telstra. By following these steps carefully, you can switch to ALDI Mobile seamlessly and start saving money.